Alright, so I got the 1700 bolt all taped up. Just use some black electrical tape. You can see that. Make sure no chips get into anything. So right here you can see I've marked where I'm going to be cutting. Just bringing it straight down right here, straight down right here. And I'll also notch off these sides. We're going to thread it 5/16 by 24 and see how it comes out. Alright, so you can see what I've done right here. Kind of made it hexagonal shape just to be able to file it round easier. Take a little bit more material off with the belt sander. So that's where we're at so far. Alright, pull this tape off. See, even with that tape, you've got a little bit of junk down in there. So you always want to make sure everything's clean and double check. Got it. Alright, good deal. So I just hit this with some birchwood casey, super blue for the time being, just to kind of help prevent rust and put a little bit of WD-40 on it. This is a bolt knob that I made for my Ruger American in 300 blackout. I'll post the link to the video. You can go watch how that's made. Just doing this is kind of a preliminary to make sure it fits, make sure it looks good, and I'll end up making the Remington its own. Fits pretty good. I don't think it's going to go all the way on. The threads on this bolt are a little bit longer. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let's give it a shot. Looks pretty good. I like it. One thing I can say on this project, there was a lot that I did not show. It took a little bit more time than I thought. So just make sure you take your time and go slow. These things are not easy to replace. You have to go and get them re-welded on in time. So you have to send them off to somebody who really knows what they're doing. Yeah, just take your time, and I'm happy with how it looks right now. Need to get a bolt knob so it can cover up the rest of those threads, but besides that, I'm pleased. It's a little bit close to the eyepiece right there, but that's not bad. Chamber is empty. There we go. Looks pretty good.